Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
during the night between May 8th and 9th, the Indian Army successfully stopped and replied to multiple drone attacks by Pakistan along the western border and the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian Army said Pakistan Armed Forces launched multiple attacks using drones and other munitions along the entire western border on the intervening night of 8th and 9th May 2025. Pakistani troops also resorted to numerous ceasefire violations along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. The drone attack was effectively repulsed and a befitting reply was given to the CFVs. Indian Army remains committed to safeguarding the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the nation. All nefarious designs will be responded with force. Due to the current security situation and the threat of hostile attacks, the Ministry of Home Affairs has requested all states and union territories to strengthen civil defense systems under the Civil Defense Act and rules of 1968. In a letter titled Augmentation of Civil Defense Measures in States and Union Territories, the ministry highlighted Section 11 of the Civil Defense Rules 1968. It reminded state governments that they are allowed to take all necessary actions to protect people and property and to keep important services working during a hostile attack. United States Vice President J.D. Vance said the conflict between India and Pakistan is fundamentally none of our business. Though he and President Donald Trump are trying to lower the tension between the two countries, Vance said, "What we can do is to try and encourage these folks to de-escalate a little bit, but we are not going to get involved in the middle of war that is fundamentally none of our business and has nothing to do with America's ability to control it. You know, America can't tell the Indians to lay down their arms, we can't tell the Pakistanis to lay down their arms, and so we are going to continue to pursue this thing through diplomatic channels." The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has announced the suspension of the Indian Premier League IPL 2025. Sources said that the decision was made because of the rising tensions between India and Pakistan. The tournament had reached a critical stage and the final match was planned for May 25th. The Met Gala was held at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York on May the 5th. This year, it was a special occasion for Indians as many Indian stars attended. Bollywood actors Shah Rukh Khan and Diljit Dosanjh made their first appearance at the Met Gala. Actress Kiara Advani, who is expecting a child, also made her debut on the Met Gala carpet on Tuesday. Priyanka Chopra Jonas made her fifth appearance at the Met. Isha Ambani and Natasha Poonawalla were also present.